Well, much closer to home, it is certainly hot out there, and it's going to stay that way, isn't it?
Yeah, today we climbed into the 90s, and tomorrow more of the same is on the way. Taking a look at a time lapse from Sandia Peak today. Not much going on in the metro, just a few clouds from time to time. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies. And yeah, it was hot. A lot of people headed to the pools to cool down, or maybe you stayed indoors and stayed in the ACs and watched some TV because, yeah, it was a hot day out there with temperatures in the 90s, and we're sitting at 94 degrees and our winds are calm. So unfortunately, the day that you probably would like a little bit of a breeze to cool you down, well, right now our winds are non-existent here in the metro. It's 94 degrees here in the metro, 88 degrees in Santa Fe, 81 degrees in Las Vegas, 91 degrees in Tucumcari, 94 in Roswell. It's 100 degrees in Deming, and Deming made it to 103 today, setting a record high temperature earlier this afternoon. Wind speeds are calm here in the metro, a 9-mile-per-hour wind in Santa Fe, 16 miles per hour though in Las Vegas. So the stronger winds are concentrated in northeastern New Mexico, a 20-mile-per-hour wind right now in Clayton, and that's where we have our high wind gusts near 30 miles per hour in Clayton, 28 there, 25 in Las Vegas, and 21 in Tucumcari. So the winds will be breezy to windy later on this afternoon into the evening hours, and then we'll have breezy conditions once again on your Monday. Satellite and radar just showing a few high clouds out there from time to time. We did have a thunderstorm pop up over the Sacramento Mountains near Ruidoso earlier this afternoon, but that has fizzled out, and now we're just left with mainly dry conditions and a lot of sunshine, and it's going to be a very toasty evening out there because temperatures really aren't going to drop all that much as we head into the overnight hours. Regional satellite and radar showing mainly clear skies over New Mexico and also off to our north in Colorado. A little disturbance off to our west northwest, but we're just going to have some spotty showers as we head into Monday, and unfortunately there's just not enough moisture in place for any showers that do develop to put down any rain, so we're going to have to watch out for dry lightning strikes as we head into Monday. But tonight, a warm night, mainly clear skies, more sunshine, and hot temperatures are on the way for your Monday, climbing back into the 90s here in the metro. It will be breezy, a slight chance for a spot shower or thunderstorm around the state tomorrow, and that chance will continue into Tuesday. The winds really do pick up on Tuesday, creating a higher fire danger by Tuesday. But things get a little bit interesting as we head into Thursday and Friday and Saturday. Later this week, we'll see some moisture move into at least the eastern portion of New Mexico, and that could spark some showers and thunderstorms. It's still a little bit too early out, but the models are suggesting right now that we could see some rain as we end the week and head into the next weekend. So hopefully that happens and we can get a break from the extreme heat. In southern Colorado on your Monday, temperatures climbing back into the upper 80s, lower 90s, 95 degrees in Cortez, 92 in Durango. In the northwest, temperatures climbing into the 90s, 93 degrees in Grants, and 98 in Farmington. Winds out of the southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. In the southwest will also be in the 90s as well. 101 in Deming, 100 degrees in Lordsburg, and 101 in Alamogordo, with a slight chance for a spot shower or thunderstorm tomorrow. But again, they're not going to put down much in the way of rain, just picking up the winds and some lightning strikes in the southeast. Temperatures climbing into the upper 90s to near 100 degrees in the northeast. Winds out of the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. So it will be breezy to windy once again in the northeast on your Monday. In the northern mountains, temperatures climbing into the 90s, a slight chance for a storm to pop up in the afternoon. In the east mountains will be in the 90s as well. Winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. In the metro, climbing into the upper 90s, flirting with 100 degrees here in the metro, and that's where we're going to stay for Tuesday and Wednesday. A slight chance that a storm could pop up tomorrow, but again, not everybody's going to see it, and it's a very small chance.
All right, great. Thanks, Chris.